Hello guys! Today we learn how to create this amazing text effect in Canva. So let's start first. Select this shoe's image and place it center of canvas. Go to text and add text box and type the text. Increase text size as you want. Change background color to red and text color to white. Send text back to the shoes. Copy the text, go to Effect and select Hollow Effect. Go to Edit and add Drop Shadow on shoes. Again, go to Edit and click on Auto Adjust. And this is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe for more this type of amazing tutorial. Thank you for watching.